Hey guys, this is how to send a voice message on Discord on your PC. As of now, which is October 2024, Discord still hasn't built a voice recorder on their PC app for some reason, but there is a way to work around this. So, the way is to record a voice message or a voice memo beforehand and then upload it to Discord as a file. So I have a file that's recorded, that's already pre-recorded that I can just use for demonstration here. So what I'm gonna need to do is just click on this plus button and then click on upload a file, and then I'll just look for my file. And there it is. So I'll just click on it, then click open, and then I will just hit enter. And this will send the voice memo on Discord. So yeah, this is how easy it is, guys. This is how to send a voice message on Discord on your PC. Hope that video is helpful.